Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to lock or unlock keyboard on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Before locking, I am going to type something. Hello world. That means I can type with my keyboard and the keyboard is now unlocked. To lock your keyboard, long press your right shift key for 10 to 15 seconds. I'm long pressing the right shift key and a notification has been opened. Do you want to turn on filter key? Click on yes. Now I'm trying to type. Look, the keyboard is locked. I cannot type. If you want to unlock your keyboard, again long press on right shift up to 8 to 10 seconds and you will find a sound. Now you can type. Look, I can type again. That means my keyboard is unlocked now. This is the easiest way to lock and unlock keyboard on Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.